Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious English pancakes. First, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need plain flour, fresh eggs, and milk. Make sure you also have a good non-stick pan and a whisk ready. Measuring everything precisely is key to achieving the perfect batter consistency. This initial step sets the foundation for light and fluffy pancakes, ensuring a delightful breakfast experience. Now let's mix the batter. In a large bowl, whisk your dry ingredients together. Then, gradually incorporate the wet ingredients, stirring until the mixture is smooth and free of lumps. It's important not to overmix, as this can develop the gluten too much, leading to tough pancakes. A slightly lumpy batter is perfectly fine and often yields a lighter texture. Next, it's time to cook your pancakes. Heat a lightly oiled non-stick pan over medium heat. Once hot, pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake, spreading it slightly if needed. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes per side, or until they are beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Adjust the heat as necessary to prevent burning. Once cooked, serve your English pancakes warm with your favorite toppings. A classic choice is a squeeze of fresh lemon juice and a sprinkle of sugar, but fresh fruit or maple syrup also work wonderfully. These simple, thin pancakes are incredibly versatile and perfect for any time of day. Remember to check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other fantastic deals. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.